paperclip is one of the simplest inventions of modern life. A bent piece of wire holding papers neatly together, yet in World War II, this humble office supply became something much greater, a symbol of resistance against tyranny. In Nazi-occupied Norway, the paperclip was transformed into a weapon of quiet defiance. A tiny badge that carried enormous meaning. When Germany invaded Norway in April 1940, the country quickly fell under occupation. Resistance movements arose, but open opposition was dangerous. The Gestapo and Nazi authorities cracked down brutally on dissent, making symbols and coded gestures essential tools for unity. It was in this climate that the paperclip binders in Norwegian was adopted as a discreet emblem of solidarity. The idea was simple. By fastening a paperclip to one's lapel, Norwegians could silently declare loyalty to their country in opposition to Nazi rule. Unlike flags or slogans, which would have drawn immediate punishment, the paperclip was small, ordinary, and easily overlooked. It embodied the ingenuity of resistance, using the tools of daily life to express rebellion. Why the paperclip? One explanation lies in Norway's pride in innovation. Though the common gem paperclip design was patented in England, many Norwegians believed that their countryman Johan Voller had invented it earlier. In truth, Voller patented a less practical version. But the association stuck, and the paperclip became linked with Norwegian identity. Wearing one was not just resistance, it was national pride. The symbol spread quickly. Students, workers, and ordinary citizens clipped paperclips to coats, jackets, and hats. The Nazis soon recognized the gestures, meaning, and banned it outright. Possessing or displaying one could lead to arrest. Yet by then, the paperclip had already bound itself into the cultural fabric of Norwegian resistance. The symbolism endured after the war. In Oslo today, a giant paperclip sculpture stands outside the campus of Akershus University College, commemorating its role as a symbol of resistance and unity. What began as a tool for organizing papers became an emblem of courage in the darkest of times. The story of Norway's paperclip protest reminds us that resistance does not always require weapons or violence. Sometimes the quietest symbols, the smallest acts, can unify a people and terrify oppressors. A bent piece of wire, humble and unremarkable, became proof that even in silence, defiance can speak volumes.